How to fix TikTok community guidelines on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to open settings of your phone, and you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here on apps or application you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for TikTok. When you found TikTok, just open it like this and go directly to storage. And then here on storage, go directly to clear data, then click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK, and you will go to Play Store and update TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.